Are you buying and selling cryptos on the same laptop that you're using to browse the internet, read your email, and visit social media sites? If so, you're exposing your cryptos to theft. Whenever you're online, you're at risk of getting hacked and having your identity stolen. How would you feel if someone stole all of your cryptos? What would that do to your finances? Guard your cryptos with a safe and secure laptop from CALIX Solutions. Each laptop is set up just for you and your cryptos, and then we walk you through exactly how it works. Don't risk the security of your cryptos. Order a crypto laptop from CALIX Solutions now to secure your crypto future. Learn more at calixsolutions.io.
And we are live. Good morning, everybody. It's your favorite truck driver, ex-truck driver in the whole wide world. It's Bitcoin Ben, here for the daily What the Pluck is going on in cryptocurrencies. Welcome, my friends. As you can tell by the shirt, it is Friday. Friday has to be one of my favorite days of the week, right behind Monday. No, Friday is the best day of the work week. My friends, I am more friggin' bullish on cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin and entrepreneurs in the crypto economy than I've ever been. The Founders Group, right? That's our venture capital fund and our investment group. Our event we are doing, let's see, where's the date? The 16th of September. This event, and we're only offering 180 tickets or something, because it's at the club, right here in Sarasota. And the club can comfortably hold about 200 people on the inside. So we're only selling 180 tickets. And we've actually worked with a local hotel on help, getting rooms and stuff. What the Founders Group is, for those of you not involved with the Founders Group, what it is it's a group of investors who combine their money, and then we bring projects to the group, and the group actually does a vote on each project on if we want to fund the project for ownership of the project. I can't give numbers out publicly, but our shares of the Founders Group, which there's only 1,750 available, when we revalue or reevaluate the share price in November, is going to be a lot more than what they are now. See, for the first year, they're valued at this. Then, this whole last year, we've invested in companies. We've gotten our equity position in each of the companies. I think there's about 11 of them, maybe more, not sure. Come November, the shares of the Founders Group gets their yearly valuation. Judging off what the companies we've invested in, judging off of the valuations they're getting, the Founders Group is doing quite well this year. And I would put our group up against any group on the rate of return after 1 year. And in fact, we might have a higher percentage than MicroStrategies does. That being said, I'm not just here to talk about the Founders Group. I'm using it as an example. The amount of attention that these companies are getting is unreal. Right? We have one of our companies. We were the first fund to invest in the company. Right? It's called K1. It is basically a mobile Bitcoin purchasing device where you can move it around, right? It's like a mobile Bitcoin ATM. And when I say mobile, it's maybe that big. And you can actually take it to church. You can take it anywhere you want to go. And you plop it down, and people there can purchase Bitcoin right there. Imagine if you could take an ATM and take it everywhere with you. You go to church, you go to an event, you go to a state fair. Boom, boom, boom. Right? We own equity in that company. We actually bought equity, and this is a funny story. The owner of the company he had put all of his money into producing, I think, 100 units. We had the Founders Group event in Miami last year. And we made a deal with him. Look, we know you're a little tight on money. So why don't the Founders Group actually purchase a few of your machines, and that will pay for your flight up here. That's how strapped he was. Now he has Max Kaiser pushing his product. He has the president of El Salvador aware of his product and encouraging it because it's a mobile Bitcoin ATM that you can literally take it everywhere. You can take it, and this is an example. All right, say that you go to a concert. This is just an example, and you take your mobile Bitcoin ATM with you, and you at the concert you rent a little booth. Buy your Bitcoin here. You set up your machine, and people can literally take change, like coins, and put it in there and buy Bitcoin with it. How many people have a pile of change at home that if you knew where one of these little things were, that you'd take all your change up there and just drop it in there and get Bitcoin? We have one here at the club, right? One guy actually came in, filled it with so much change that I told Bamboo, I'm like, hey, look, let's get a trash can, a big, trash can. Let's put it down here. And when the little unit fills up with change, just empty it into the big trash can. My plan is, like, up in St. Louis, there's a gas station chain called Quick Trip. That's where their headquarters are at. Every Quick Trip you go into has a sign. We will buy your change. All right. I talked with one of the managers there, and he said, I'll give you $1.05 for every dollar in change you bring in. Really? So I'm going to take the big bucket of change on my trip up to St. Louis, take it over to my boy, and I'm going to sell him the change plus 5%. Why not? They need change. I got a bunch of change. Why not? This, my friends, this is adoption. This is the type of companies that are coming out. This is the type of companies that, because of my unique position, I hear about them way before anybody else. As soon as I saw that little unit saw how easy it was to purchase the Bitcoin with change, I'm like, yeah, because I know everyone's got change. Nobody wants to roll that shit. Bring it up to the club. Bring it up to the club, put it in our little unit, and you get Bitcoin. You get to buy some Bitcoin with your change. See, if you guys knew what I knew and you guys knew what else was coming, there's a local gym that's going to open. All right. I had a conversation with the two owners of the gym. And this is going to be a big gym. We at the club are going to help them implicate. Yes, every Bitcoin bin club will have a K1 machine. Yes. Yep. All right. The gym, we are going to help them accept Bitcoin at their club. And we're working with the Divi project so the gym will have a wallet. It will have its own cryptocurrency wallet. This club is not just about educating on Bitcoin. We do a lot of that. All right. This club is working with the other businesses around Sarasota and surrounding areas on implementing and helping them adopt getting paid in Bitcoin. Anyone think the price of Bitcoin's going to go up over the next year and a half? I do. As the price goes up, more and more people are going to be reaching out to us. Like, this is an example of how big I'm going here in Sarasota. My club here in Sarasota is the title sponsor, if you know what that means. The title sponsor for the largest home show in Florida. We're on all the branding. I'm going on like 3 or 4 shows, including a morning show here on NBC talking about the club. I paid $35,000 for that title sponsorship. You think I'm serious about this? A little, maybe. See, the founders group will also be represented there. The links events will be represented there. My friends, Bitcoin Ben ain't here to lose. Bitcoin Ben's here to win. Hell, up in Nashville, I got an email. I actually got 2 emails from one of our partners who shall remain nameless because he's in the chat. We are going to rent a hall up in Nashville during 2024 Bitcoin or Bitcoin Conference 2024. And we are going to offer drinks and all this to all of the people, but local people who live in Nashville. If you can show us, now this is an idea, if you can show us that you live in Nashville, you get to drink for free. All you need is to sign up for our email list for the Nashville Club. How many crypto people, how many friggin' Bitcoin people do you think are going to be at Bitcoin 2024 in Nashville? A lot. How many locals are going to be there? Probably quite a few. What happens when I put a big old sign up that says, like Bitcoin from Nashville, come on in and drink for free? How many people you think is going to be there? Quite a few. And we'll have CALIX Solutions, we'll have the Founders Group, we'll have all of our organizations represented. See, because we aren't just one company, right? I just opened a software development company to develop software. People have asked me, Ben, Bitcoin Ben, why would you launch a software development company? Because I don't want to pay another software development company to develop software I want developed. I'll pay my own company. And all of the businesses I'm partnering with, they want specialized software for their companies. Why would I refer them to someone else other than a company that I own? It's called a wheel of wealth, my friends. That's how you do it. And the reason I'm bringing this up is the right here, the Founders Group Worldwide event is in September. It's September 15th, 16th, and 17th. All right. And if you come to the Founders Group Worldwide event in Florida that weekend, the following weekend is another event here at the club. Hang on a second. Woo Woo Con. Woo Woo Con's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have Pix Weir on the screen. I'm going to be here live. We're going to have Jenny Moonstone live. We're going to have Jay Snip 4 should be there. So if you click the link under here and you sign up for the Founders Group Worldwide event, which is you meeting with us, if you have a project or if you're interested in what the Founders Group is, and a lot of the Founders Group will be there. A lot of the investors in the group will be there. It's all weekend. And we talk entrepreneurialism. We're going to have a ton of local business owners at the Founders Group event. We're going to have people from the Chamber of Commerce here in Sarasota at the Founders event. And it's, all right, let me say this. Bitcoin 2024, that's going to be a great event. But that's preaching to the choir. Right? That's people that are talking about Bitcoin. What I'm in the Founders Group is for, and what we educate and help people get into is launching companies in the blockchain and outside the blockchain. See, there's a little secret, right? No one ever got rich getting a paycheck unless you're in government. All right. The difference between Bitcoin 2024 and the Founders Group event in September is the Founders Group helps you become an owner of companies. See, you can literally own your own company, but a lot of people don't know how to do it. That's what the Founders Group event is. It's getting advice, lectures, help you get funding for your company, how to legally structure your company, all that at one event. So while people at Bitcoin 2024, which is a great event, they're talking about Bitcoin. That's great. at the Founders Group event, we're doing the work to build the companies that push adoption and grow your wealth and get you out of the job you hate into the economy you love. My friends, there's a reason I'm an ex-truck driver. Because I initially worked my way out of truck driving, doing my show. Then I started launching cryptocurrency businesses. Speaking of, here's one of them, CALIX Solutions. Call now. I'll be right back.
Are you buying and selling cryptos on the same laptop that you're using to browse the internet, read your email, and visit social media sites? If so, you're exposing your cryptos to theft. Whenever you're online, you're at risk of getting hacked and having your identity stolen. How would you feel if someone stole all of your cryptos? What would that do to your finances? Guard your cryptos with a safe and secure laptop from CALIX Solutions. Each laptop is set up just for you and your cryptos, and then we walk you through exactly how it works. Don't risk the security of your cryptos. Order a crypto laptop from CALIX Solutions now to secure your crypto future. Learn more at calixsolutions.io.
See, this is an example, right? This is CALIX Solutions website, right? We have crypto laptops, and we also have Liberty laptops. And you go there right now, you see the chat, this feature right here that just popped up to the right. You go there right now, you can chat with Austin from CALIX and go over there right now and go, hey, what's up with the crypto laptop? What's up with the Liberty laptop? This is how you grow wealth, my friends, is you start companies. Right? We got Bitcoin Bar Max. Hey, Ben, FGW, Founders Group Worldwide, needs to be part of a Bitcoin mining project. Brother or sister, we're already on it. We're already looking into, well, I'm looking into facilities in Texas and El Salvador. Those will be coming next year for the Founders Group, because what I'm gathering together with the mining people is I don't want to purchase equity in an existing